Just reel. Yeah, just reel. Remember, you don't want to give him any slack. Just crank on it.
I had to get that look on video.
You got him. You can put that in that rod holder up there, Daryl. You got.
Can we use this Bonita as shark bait?
We can. Use him as shark bait. Shark bait.
What kind of shark are you trying to catch?
I don't even know what I'm missing now.
You just keep reeling. Nayland, keep reeling.
Out of your way. That gap.
I'll tell you if we see it. Keep reeling.
I see
Yeah,
it.
just keep-
You see
keep
it?
your line out to the left. Don't get it close to the motor, okay? Spin him around. Oh, there's our leader. Oh, there's our leader. Good. Hold on, keep pointing that way. Point that way. Point that way. Here, turn your rod this
There. He's gonna try to get you.
way. There you go.
He's trying to get you to the motor.
Nice. You gotta swing your rod over for me.
There you go. There you go. Oh, that's a small guy.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
How pretty are they?
You might can just swing them right in, Daryl. Okay. Yep.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my heavens, that is gorgeous. Oh my God.
Bonita.
That's a Bonita.
That's a Bonita. I've never seen one before.